Good afternoon, Dave from Green Frog Systems. Exciting day. Here you'll see one of our latest generation Aspire solar lighting technology. This is totally off-grid and uses about $2 million of funding over the years to design this modular scalable lighting product that gives councils and governments the flexibility in lighting up intersections where you need roadway grade lighting and 100% uptime right across Australia and the world. This particular intersection has had numerous fatalities, so we've been working with the Department of Infrastructure and Transport in designing this lighting network, and today we see it installed quickly and easily with minimal traffic disruptions, no cabling and no trenching. So fantastic day. This product ushers in a new era for councils and governments wanting to light up dangerous intersections quickly, cheaply and easily.